That makes me puke.
30 seconds after Goliath gets home, he's got a woman. She seems to like it. Get her, G. No, he got the wrong way.
Wrong way. Oh my god. G! Wrong way.
There.
Boston just like gave her like.
Yeah, he's horny. It's been about 1.5 years. Get in there, buddy. There you go. Good boy.
But I think soon.
Good boy.
But like he's heavy, right? So Boston is kind of like carrying.
Get it in, buddy.
Can you align it?
No, I'm not going in there.
Why don't you like align it? No.
No, they'll get it in there sooner or later.
At least like she's ready. It's not like
There you go.
soon. Oh, Goliath doesn't care anymore with everything else.